YouTube! Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell in the title, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to reset your curls while also clarifying your hair at the same time. And if you're new here, welcome. Using the Aztec Indian Healing Clay Mask along with the raw apple cider vinegar with the mother. We will also not be using any metal utensils because it can reduce or inhibit the benefits that we get from the mask. I was feeling cute, crusty, and confident in this day 4 hair until I thought I seen a spider down in the corner, but it really wasn't, so it's okay. So as I break it down today and release the Kraken, I am going to describe to you why we are doing this. So if your curl pattern is stringy or frizzy, this is going to clarify your hair and remove product, and we're going to fix it today for you. So let's get started. And also, it is always in our best interest to get these good head scratches in to where you just arch that eyebrow. Oh my god. You see me here finding a single strand knot, and I plan on making a video in the future on how I started addressing these to retain length. Recently, our hair has been just a little stringy, so we're going to fix that today and dust out the cobwebs. Going in with this spray bottle here. Link is in the description, like I said. I don't know why I cornered myself while I did this, but we gon' get into it, baby. So I'm just making sure that my hair is squishing and saturated. We're zooming in here. You can see I have a little bit of product buildup, and I'm going to be doing a comparison video kind of, because I noticed a lot of reviews doing this mask on your hair. People don't really show the before and after. So what I'm going to be doing is applying the product. I showed you what my hair looks like before, and I'll be showing you after without brushing my hair, because I just wanted to show you guys how well this product performs without manipulating it whatsoever. So not using any tools. I am just detangling, finger detangling, and I will not be using a brush at all. And I will not be washing or conditioning my hair. So at the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys what exactly it does to my hair with no product in it, no brushing out, and no like styling whatsoever or conditioning. I'm just going to give you a transparent product review, and you will see the results in the end. So we are really working this through our hair. You do not want it to be too thick, otherwise it will clump up in your hair and you'll have a lot of issues washing it out. I'm having some hair shed, which is totally normal. So it's very important to get this consistency right. So you'll have to play with it for your hair. I wanted mine to be very, very wet, and so it can really get in there. You see this knot here? I'm showing you guys how easy it is to just slip that out while this mask is in my hair. It's very good for detangling, I noticed, and it's really good at defining your curls. So here I am just making sure that it is going from root to tip. I am adding more water because I'm making sure that it is thoroughly wet and in my hair. If you take a while, it will start to drip down your neck, and it's very, very cold. If you've ever played with clay, it gets cold very fast. So it started dripping down my neck, and it was very unpleasant. Forgive my faces, but I'm just really massaging this into my scalp, and it doesn't hurt. I like to make faces a lot, you'll notice that. But that's my face I make when I'm like really working something into my hair. Also, while there's cold things dripping down the back of my neck and my chin. Anyway, here I am showing you even more definition. This is insane. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at that swinging. Oh my god. So this is pretty incredible to me. I seen it in the viewfinder and I was like freaking out because I've never added this much water before, and my hair is obviously absolutely loving it. So I'm just making sure that it is very, very wet and saturated, and also I am finger detangling once again. It's very easy to do this with this mask in your hair. And here's another one. It just, watch this, slips right out. Oh my gosh. I don't know if any of you guys have like troubles with like the back sides of your hair, but like I usually get tangles back there. But and this is about 30 minutes later. It's completely dry, and I jumped in the shower. I did not wash it, I did not condition it, I did not detangle it with a brush, and this is pretty defined and good looking for straight out of the shower. I wanted to give you guys a quick and real review of how my hair looks after I do this, but this is pretty good. I just wanted to be transparent with you guys and give you a quick little review on this and how much I love it. It's a really good pick-me-up for your hair. It also clarifies your hair too. I just love it because I also use it in my skincare routine, which I will be posting a video on that soon as well. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any other video requests or reviews for products, let me know. Consider subscribing if you already haven't, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you again.